Package delivered to me. These are my JNC 16-inch rims. These are the 010s. They are the chromes with the gold rivets. And we're just going to open them up here. Wait about it took about a week. I ordered these from JNC Canada. I'm in Toronto, so I'm didn't have to go and pick them up. They deliver straight to your house. Their customer service is phenomenal. Give JNC a call. They will take care of you. They help you with your fitments. These are going on a 1993 Honda Accord SE. So the bolt pattern is a universal 4x114.3. As you can see, they pack it real well, so it doesn't shift. Oh, this is going to be fun. I stick a little knot in there, so it's tough to do with one hand. Just give me 1 second here. I got that knot taken out, and then you have your rim. Pull this off. It's just a felt they put on there. And look at that. Wow. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Ooh, I almost don't want to touch them to get my fingerprints on them. Have a little rubber that goes around them. But man, look at these. These are beautiful. Let's just swing these around here. There you go. It's JNC's 010 Platinum with the gold rivets. This is a 4x114.3 universal bolt pattern. Just look at that. Can't wait to get those mounted on some rubbers and put on the car, but just wanted to let you guys know how they come. Nicely packaged. They're stunning. They're beautiful. There you go. I will show you the back of it, just in case those are curious. On the inside of the rim, and it does come with a sticker. Just shows the bolt pattern. That is the back. But it's all about that front. Beauty. Oh, look at that. That's your entire, there you go. That's the depth, if you can't tell. It's like a two-stage lip. Got the first outer lip here. And it goes in once, and it goes in twice. Just if you couldn't see that because of the shine to it, so. I'll update another video when these are mounted on some rubbers. I'm probably going to go with a little stretch, so 195, 45, 16. I want that 45 profile, not a 40, just to give it a little bit of a cushion. But there you have it. Another video will come when they're mounted on some rubbers. Beauty.